So these steps that I'm going up, they're called Calle Comedia, Comedy Street, I guess. And actually I featured them in a video that I sent to a channel called Life Where You're From. I don't know if you've heard of that channel, quite a big channel. And I come out there and I'm just walking up. So yeah, so this is Upper Town, the Old Town, whatever you want to call it. And you can really easily access it from Main Street, from the main shopping district of Gibraltar. And if you carry on walking up, you actually end up at the nature reserve, or near the Moorish castle, which is quite cool really if you think about it. Yeah, and the really cool thing is that we have these outdoor escalators that take you basically from town to the Upper Town, and then from the Upper Town you can actually walk up to the nature reserve, to the Moorish Castle area. So I've actually walked down just to show you guys, and I'm gonna take them back up so that I can actually get back to the Upper Town. So as you start walking up and you get a little bit higher, you start seeing the view below. And you start seeing the old city walls. The fortifications have been here for hundreds of years. Basically, I've just really shown you a little bit of the Upper Town. There's so much more to explore, and following the route, walking down, will then lead you to Casement Square, Gibraltar's main square where there's restaurants and all sorts of things happen, like parades, etc. And you know, the beginning probably of Main Street, of the shopping area. So all of the area there, that's the Upper Town. And it carries on, you can't see any further basically. So yeah, that's kind of a little bit more of Gibraltar. And if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that ding dong notification button to keep up to date with more videos. And subscribe if you're new to the channel. See you soon. Happy Vlogmas. Bye.